Ever wondered how to grow your own hops for homebrewing? Well, let's dive into the magical world of hop gardening. Hops, they're not just any plant. They are the heart and soul of every beer, giving it its distinctive flavor and aroma. But did you know that you can grow them right at home? Yes, with a bit of care and patience, you can cultivate your own hop garden. It's not only a fun and fulfilling hobby, but also a cost-effective way to enhance your home brews. So if you have a green thumb and a passion for brews, why not combine them and grow your own hops? Growing hops at home is a simple process that can be broken down into a few steps. It begins with choosing the right variety of hops. There are many types to choose from, each with its own unique flavor and aroma profile. Once you've selected your hops, you'll need to prepare the soil. Hops prefer well-drained soil with a pH between 6 and 7. Next, it's time to plant. Hops are typically planted in early spring, with the crown of the plant just below the surface of the soil. As your hops grow, they'll need plenty of sunlight and water. Aim to give your hops at least 6 hours of sun each day and water them regularly, but don't let them sit in standing water. Finally, regular pruning will keep your hops healthy and productive. Remove any dead or damaged vines as you see them, and trim back excessive growth to promote air circulation. By following these steps, you can cultivate your own hops and have a fresh supply for your home brewing needs. Let's quickly recap everything we've learned today. Growing hops at home can be a rewarding venture offering fresh ingredients for home brewing. We've explored the steps from selecting the right hop variety, preparing the soil, to nurturing the plants and harvesting the cones. Remember, patience is key, as it takes a full season before you can harvest your hops. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.